Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name's Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go on the lot and I'll show you one of our certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go take a look. Here we have our 2015 Toyota Corolla LE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated outside mirrors, lightly tinted glass, and much more. Its sensible blend of fuel economy and features, versatility, and value make it a compelling choice for small sedan shoppers. This Corolla has 16-inch steel wheels with wheel covers and all-season tire with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire with low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has auto projector beam daytime running lights with delay off, along with a nice grille with chrome accents and iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with a variable transmission. This Corolla has front-wheel drive and is estimated the driver receive an impressive 32 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corolla only has 29,579 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla, you'll see the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Using the key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice the Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-on armrest and cup holders, as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. In the front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome metal-like interior accents. Drivers and passengers will feel very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and digital clock. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, power door locks with auto lock, and power windows with driver express up and down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your media features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio, CD player, MP3, and Bluetooth compatibility. You can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even comes with voice recognition. You also have auto climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and its guidelines make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this vehicle is Sparks certified, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 mile complimentary recommended service. It also includes 160-point quality inspection by a Toyota certified technician, lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thanks for watching.